Are you looking to modify the look of SuiteDash CRM to perfectly match your brand? In this quick explainer, I'll show you exactly how to customize the platform so it aligns with your unique identity, and I'll give you some tips that will save you time and frustration along the way. First up, the easiest way to change SuiteDash's look is by diving into the Settings tab. This is where you can adjust the overall color scheme of your CRM. You can choose custom colors that fit your brand's identity, whether you're going for a more professional, sleek look or something a bit more vibrant. With SuiteDash, you have the freedom to set primary and secondary colors for the header, footer, and other elements across the platform. Just make sure you pick colors that are easy on the eyes and align with your brand's palette to maintain a cohesive experience for your users. Next thing to keep in mind is custom branding for your login page. SuiteDash lets you upload your logo and adjust the background image. If you want a more polished appearance, you can also customize the login page text so it's on brand and consistent with your other marketing materials. This is a simple way to create a more seamless experience for clients and employees who interact with your CRM daily. The third thing you'll want to modify is the navigation bar. SuiteDash allows you to reorganize the elements in the sidebar to make it more intuitive for your team. You can move items around, hide features that aren't relevant to your needs, or even create custom menus. This kind of customization helps streamline workflows and can improve user experience significantly. Another great feature is SuiteDash's ability to customize the client portal. You can change the layout, adjust what features your clients see, and tweak how the information is displayed. This level of customization ensures that your CRM doesn't just serve your needs, but also provides a personalized and professional interface for your clients. Then, there's the email templates section. If you want to send branded emails to your clients or team, SuiteDash lets you customize email templates with your logo, color scheme, and specific messaging that resonates with your audience. This ensures consistency across every touchpoint, and it's essential if you're building a professional brand. The fifth thing to note is the dashboard. You can modify the widgets and layout to match the unique needs of your business. Want to highlight key metrics or make certain actions more accessible? SuiteDash lets you adjust your dashboard layout so that everything you need is just a click away. This can help reduce the time it takes to navigate the platform and make your team more efficient. Finally, if you're looking for even more customization, you can dive into SuiteDash's API and integrations. This allows you to bring in tools and apps that might better fit your branding needs. But keep in mind, this level of customization can get a bit technical, so it's only recommended if you're comfortable with API integrations. Now, before you go, there's something important to consider. While SuiteDash offers some great customization features, it's not the only option out there. If you're looking for even more control over branding and user experience, there are other CRMs that can offer a more streamlined and flexible design process. Through the link in the description, you can get exclusive access to an extended free trial for SuiteDash, but we've also included some amazing alternatives that might be better suited to your specific branding goals. These alternatives come with their own unique benefits, and we've made sure to highlight the ones that can offer you the most customization. Remember, through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Thanks for watching!